दोस्तों मैं आपका फिर से स्वागत करता हूं हमारे ट्रैवलिंग चैनल #जिप्सी मुसाफिर 113 में। और जैसे कि आप जानते हैं हम लोग यहां पर एक ड्रीम सिटी में मैं खड़ा हूं, यहां पर बहुत ही स्पेशल जगह में जहाँ हम सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं 16th मिफ, जो कि कहलाता है मुंबई इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल। और मेरे साथ एक बहुत ही स्पेशल गेस्ट है, तो मैं इनको स्वागत करता हूँ। मैम प्लीज़
इंट्रोड्यूस माई सेल्फ।
तो दोस्तों यहाँ पर बहुत स्पेशल गेस्ट है हमारे साथ, और यहाँ पर ये फिल्म देखने के लिए आए हुए हैं और फिल्म की विधा के बारे में काफ़ी आपको यहाँ पर मैम बताने वाले हैं कौन कौन सी इन्होंने फिल्म देखी है। तो मैम यहाँ मिफ के बारे में पहले अपने बारे में आप नाम बताइए प्लीज़, और मिफ के बारे में बताइए कैसा लग रहा है आपको।
I think MIF is really a wonderful festival and always brings good films for us to see. I saw one today called An Essay of Rain by Nagraj Manjule, and it was very beautiful. It was the whole film, 26 minutes, was full of rain. Itna barish jaisa, it was just completely from first frame to last frame, the beautiful sound of rain. But the sad part was it was in a village where there was rain leaking through the roof, and two children who were totally drenched, and they even had a goat sitting outside the hut. And the story was about the husband of the woman, who is a drunkard, and she finds him on the road and brings him back to the hut and revives him. And it's about complete poverty and complete desolation, as if there's no hope, absolutely no hope for them. So it was very, very sensitively and beautifully done, and I gave it the Imageography Award. मैंने अवार्ड दिया वो फिल्म के लिए, Imageography Award, and because it was very image oriented and the editing was very good.
Ma'am, I would like to request you please share your name once again.
I'm a director and a producer, and I work with Imageography. My name is Nina Sugati Shivdasani Rovshan.
Nina ma'am, what is this Imageography you told?
You know, camera से फोटो होता है, और mine is that आपका मन लगा के image बनाते हैं. तो with photography, it's a photograph coming from a camera, but image is your interpretation of what you photograph. So that's the difference. Image meaning आता है, significance आता है.
Okay, nice. Ma'am, okay, I would like to know your idea about MIF. How is the surrounding? कैसा लग रहा है आपको? Please write something.
It looks like fairyland. ऐसा जैसा माने कल्पना का चीज है.
Have you been in MIF earlier also?
Yes, from the very inception, when Mr. Chandra, the founder of MIF, I knew him very well.
Okay.
And he put my Fipreschi film, Chhatrabang, into the second festival, I think, of MIF.
Okay, that's nice.
And he selected it and invited me for it.
Yeah. Coming here for 30 years.
Yes.
3 decades.
Yeah. I'm not sure what year it was,
Okay.
but I think the second year he showed it.
Okay.
Yeah, the second year.
That's nice, ma'am. It's a matter of great honor that I'm interviewing to you, and I would like to thank you from my channel #Gypsy Musafi 113. And ma'am, I would like to ask you the questions of the right now the recent genre of movie which we are watching. So what is your idea about the recent subject exactly we are getting the movies exactly? What do you think about the recent genre?
Well, there is a change in approach to cinema over the years, and now I'm finding lots of more of animation. Okay. It seems more, that animation in the earlier days, when I first saw animation, was very simple, but be near my bag, my camera is in my bag. No, so animation now has changed. You can do anything in animation, and they explore all kinds of techniques in drawing, painting, and concepts. They cover all kinds of concepts. So it is quite it's a different medium. Animation has gone through many stages and phases, and now they cover anything and everything.
Yeah, we can see the recent example of Avatar or The Lord of the Rings. It is an
Yes.
unbelievable, phenomenal movie,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
it is a spellbound movie. Exactly, people whoever has seen the movie
Yeah.
definitely is going to see. These movies are for. It seems that God has created such sort of movies after watching Avatar.
That's why I personally, even though my background is artist, I personally like live action. But after a while, you can't take. I think you need both.
And what,
You need both animation and live action to bring out different things, in
ma'am,
life.
as you said that you like live action also. So, what is the most inspiring movie in that genre?
In live action, well, that's why I discovered imageography, because
I
I
wanted
felt
wanted to know the name of the movies which inspired you.
actually no movie inspired me. I was inspired because I wanted to discover the truth,
Okay.
what people are really about. Not that they're acting their reality, but they are living their reality. So for me, that was important, to find out the truth in each person's life. And I said, it's better I find out from them what the truth is.
Okay,
That's why I don't use actors.
okay.
I
I
use
would
real
like
people.
to add one more point in this same point subject and same topic. In the recent scenario, which was the nice movie which you have watched?
Here in this festival?
No,
or
no, no, no. I'm
any
not talking about the
festival.
festival. In the recent scenario, I'm
But not
about the
not
Bollywood,
imageography. Not imageography.
Bollywood movie. I'm talking about the Bollywood movie which you watched recent and it impacted you the most.
Bollywood. Uh, I can't right now. I used to see them before.
So right now you are not.
Right
following,
now I'm not, because I've been so much into editing my own film. Last 2-3 years I've been working on two films that I'm working on. So I haven't seen other films because of
Okay,
that.
okay, you are
I
too
haven't
much
had
busy on-
time,
okay,
yeah.
okay.
But earlier I used to see. But really I'm into new wave
Okay,
cinema.
ma'am. What is the idea about the changing pattern of the music scenario is changing? All the pattern of storylining subject is changing. So, could you throw some light on that particular point?
Yeah, there is a lot of change, and because cinema has come a long way. Nanook of the North, there was no sound, and it was the Eskimos' life. Now, from that to today, there's a big change. So after that, sound came into movies, and then cinema verite in France, and then now there's more free form. People are doing handheld work, much more, and the themes are very explorative themes. But for me, cinema should bring out something that is hidden in human beings. Whatever is hidden, and people, I think cinema should try to bring that out. The secrets of people, the hidden aspects. I think that kind of cinema is what intrigues me. When I learn something new about truth, about reality, I don't want escapist cinema. एक जाके देखना और भूल जाना, ऐसा I
तो
don't.
मैम ऐसी कौन सी मूवी, मतलब एक दो नाम भी बता दीजिए जिसकी बात कर रहे हैं आप, जो अपने पुरानी जो भी आपके दिमाग में आ रहा है, ताकि हमारे व्यूअर्स अगर नहीं देखेंगे तो जाके देखेंगे, so that our viewers may see after watching this video. And right now I told that all over the world people
Well,
are
I
watching
like some of the newer directors. I like Satyajit Ray. I like Shyam Benegal. I like.
So have you watched Bhumika and
Yes,
something,
I've seen
Manthan?
several of his films.
Okay.
And
Have you got any luxury of meeting that great personality?
yes,
Mr.
yes,
Shyam
I know
Benegal?
him very well.
Okay.
He's a very fine person,
nice,
and
okay.
yeah. And I like. I wish more women would get into new wave cinema.
Yeah.
That would be good. And now today, even children of 12 and 14 are making films
Okay. How?
with mobile phones.
Yeah, ma'am.
14-year-olds, 15-year-olds making
Yeah, I
very
was
beautiful.
actually just coming on that point only. As you told that you are a filmmaker and an artist also. So, ma'am, if the youngsters wants to make their movie, so please share some idea and tips exactly how they could approach.
Well, I don't think mobile phone is the right way to approach because it's very facile. Both आसान है, so people get jazzy about it. It's not. It doesn't.
No, no, I'm not
You
talking
can't go
about.
into depth with a
I'm
mobile
talking
phone.
about in totality. If a person who has completed his graduation, he wanted to make his career in the film industry, in terms of filmmaking, something like that, in terms of direction. So I want please add up some inputs so that they could, yeah.
I think first and foremost they should have their own camera, small camera, not the mobile phone, so that they learn about f-stop and they learn about depth of field and they learn shallow focus, so that they get into the art of filmmaking. I think this mobile phone is spoiling their. It's very easy to do and very nice and all, but it's spoiling a serious filmmaker's work. Gets spoiled by.
Okay, ma'am, what is your idea about if a writer gets a plot or if a director gets a plot, and everything, what is the procedure to convert it into the story and then the screenplay? Any
Okay,
special?
yeah, now in imageography, I choreograph with the camera. The whole screenplay is done with the camera. I don't write it on paper.
Okay.
I make the story with the camera images. So that is one very good approach today. Very few people do that. Then you write a script, or you can write an essay or a treatment, and then you follow it up with a.
ओके सो दोस्तों आपने देखा हमारे साथ नीना मैम ने बहुत ही फ्रेंड्स आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक नीना मैम फॉर हर प्रेशियस टाइम एंड आई वुड लाइक टू विश हर बेस्ट विशेस फॉर हर upcoming projects, and as she told that she is an artist, she is a filmmaker, so I would like to wish
My new film is inspired by Upanishads. Upanishad मुझे बहुत ताकत दिया है. I just love. In the night, in the earlier days, I used to go home and do technical reading. Now I do reading on Upanishads.
तो दोस्तों आपने देखा मैम की एक अपकमिंग मूवी आ रही है उपनिषद, अपकमिंग मूवी ऑफ नीना मैम इज उपनिषद. सो आई वुड लाइक टू विश हर अ वेरी बेस्ट विशेस फॉर हर मूवी from my channel #Gypsy Musafir 113, and I would like to thank them for your precious time.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.